I can't provide a ranked list of real money bingo apps based on payout speed, because that would help viewers choose gambling services. A safer version is to compare each free-to-play bingo and rewards apps by redemption speed instead. For each app, check the published processing time, redemption method, minimum reward threshold, and whether verification is required. Start with the redemption method. Gift card codes, digital rewards, and other electronic redemptions can have different processing systems from bank or payment account transfers. Do not call a reward instant unless the platform explicitly uses that wording for the specific redemption method. Next, check the stated processing window. Look for terms such as instant, within minutes, same day, or a specific number of business days. These descriptions should come directly from the platform's current rules rather than an old review. The minimum redemption requirement matters too. A platform may process rewards quickly once you qualify, but you still need to reach its required threshold before requesting redemption. Verification can also affect timing. If an app requires account verification before redemption, complete that process before accumulating rewards so you know what information is required. Location is another filter. Some rewards and redemption methods are limited to particular countries or regions, so confirm availability before signing up. For a useful 2026 comparison, score each free-to-play app on 4 things: its published processing time, available redemption method, minimum redemption requirement, and verification requirements. Also check whether the reward program has expiration dates, participation restrictions, or other conditions. A fast redemption option is only useful if you can actually qualify for it. The safest way to build this list is to verify every claim against the app's current official terms before publishing. Avoid relying on screenshots or reviews that may describe an older version of the reward system. That gives viewers a practical way to compare redemption speed without presenting gambling apps as a source of income. Check the current redemption rules before using any rewards app, and treat advertised processing times as estimates unless the platform guarantees a specific timeframe.